Hello all, welcome to Narasimha's Academy, our daily current affairs including GS and GK. So first question, Order of St. Andrew the Apostle Award recently seen in news is the highest civilian honor award of which country? Given countries, Australia, Russia, France, Germany. The correct answer is B, Russia. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi officially received Russia's prestigious Order of St. Andrew the Apostle Award in 2019 for his contribution to India-Russia strategic fellowship and fostering friendly ties established in 1698 by Peter the Great. Sir Peter the Great. The honor recognizes exception civilizations or military merits. Next question. Recently, the Philippines and which country boosted their defense ties by signing a reciprocal access agreement, that is RAA? The given countries Ukraine, Russia, France, Japan. The given options. And the correct answer is D. Japan. The Philippines and Japan signed a reciprocal access agreement to enhance defense ties, focusing on regional stability amid tensions with China. The pact easing equipment and troops entry for trainings and disaster response in Japan's first in Asia. Philippines and Japan's defense ministers highlighted the importance of cooperations against China assertive actions in the South China Sea. The next question, who has been chosen as India's chief D mission for the 2024 Olympics. The given options Gagan Narang, Mary Kom, Neeraj Chopra, Abhinav Bindra. The correct answer is A. Gagan Narang. Four-time Olympian and 2012 bronze medalist Gagan Narang replaced the Mary Kom as India's chief Chief Tea mission for the 2024 Olympics. The Indian Olympics Association, that is nothing but IOA, announced many, like Mary Kom stepped down due to the health issue. IOA President PT Usha expressed confidence in the athletics preparedness. PV Sindhu will be the female flag bearer. The Paris Olympic will run from July 26 to August 11, 2024. The next question. Recently, India and Russia agreed to increase bilateral trade to $100 billion by which year? The given year 2025, 2027, 2028, 2030s. The given options and the correct answer is D, 2030s. India and China agreed to increase bilateral trade to $100 billion by 2030 and use national currencies to bypass Western sanctions during the 22nd annual summit. The next question. The World Health Organization, nothing but WHO, has reported that bird flu has caused the death of which animals in Poland? The animals, cats, dogs, henna, rats. And the correct answer is cats. The World Health Organization has reported that bird flu has caused the death of numerous cats in Poland. This marks the first instance of significant number of infected cats across a wide geographic region within a country. The next question. Which country has recently passed the illegal migration bill? The countries India, USA, UK, Sri Lanka. The correct answer is C, UK. In a victory of in a victory for the Rishi Sunak government, the UK House of Lords passed the illegal migration bill, a law that will make it the Home Security's duty to remove illegal migrants from the UK. The bill will significantly change existing protections from asylum seekers by decreasing access to routes to asylum, the bill seeking to the deter illegal migrations to the country, especially via small boats crossing the English Channel. The next question. Which country is undertaking the project demonstration rocket for Allied cislunar operation? The given countries: India, China, Russia, USA. The correct answer is USA. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) of the USA and the US military have collaborated for a project named Demonstration Rocket for Ally Cislunar Operation, that is DARPO. The next question. Rocket Force is the strategic and tactical missile force for which country? The given countries: Ukraine, China, Russia, Germany. The correct answer is China. The Rocket Force of China's Liberations Army is responsible for the strategic and tactical missile operation and is tasked with managing the nation's nuclear arsenal. The next question. Which country launched the Clean Up the Clean Energy Plan? The given countries: India, USA, Japan, Germany. USA is the correct answer. As a part of its Clean Up to Clean Energy plan, the USA government has announced that it was transform Cold War site into largest solar power project. The next question. Eagle Bluff is a name given to the wildfire in the which country? In which country? Australia, Indonesia, USA, France. The correct answer is USA. A wildfire organization or a wildfire originating in Washington State, USA, crossed into British Columbia, Canada, prompting evacuation orders. The next question. Falcon's Shield 2023 is a military exercise participated by which countries? The given countries: India, USA, China, UAE, China, Russia, China and India and UAE. The correct answer is China and UAE. The option B is correct. China and the United Arab Emirates, India and United Arab Emirates will hold their first joint Air Force training called as Falcon Shield 2023 in Xinjiang, China in August. The next question. Which country is organizing the UNSC's first ever meeting on the threats of artificial intelligence? The correct answer. The options: India, Australia, UK, Germany. The answer is UK. The UN Secretary Council will hold a first ever meeting on the threats of artificial intelligence on July 18th. The next question. Which city is the host of meeting of space economy leaders under India's G20 presidency? Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Mysore. The correct answer is Bangalore. Under India's presidency of Group of G20, the fourth edition of the Space Economy Leaders Meeting (SLEM) is scheduled to be held in Bangalore. The next question. Which city hosted the Laser National Championship? Pune, Chennai, Secunderabad, Varanasi. The correct answer is C. Secunderabad. The 37th Hyderabad Sailing Week 2023 and Laser National Championship concluded on a grand note at Secunderabad Sailing Club. The next question. Which city hosted the third G20 Sherpas meeting that drafted the leaders' declarations on key issues of global importance? Mysore, Hampi, Kolkata, Jodhpur. The correct answer is Hampi, D. The third G20 Sherpas meeting that drafted the leaders' declarations on key issues of global importance concluded in Hampi, Karnataka.